Hello Year 1. Today's writing activity for your weekly timetable is to create a fact file about Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So I'm just going to show you how to lay it out. So just remember that before you do your fact file you need to do some research about Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So get an adult to help you to find the right information on the internet, or the right place on the internet to look for that information. Make some notes and try to write in your own words. Don't just copy everything that you see. Of course you'll need to copy his name, his date of birth and those facts, but then when you're writing about his life, just try and write it in your own way so that you're not copying it all. And then when you do come to write your fact file, I'm just going to show you how to make that look. Okay, so we'll need to start with a title. So I've drawn a line with my ruler for my title, and my title is going to be Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay, and then my first subheading, which is like another title but not the main title itself, just a little title, is going to be his full name. So it's underneath this that you will then write what his full name is. And I've had a look myself, and his name, he has some other names in between, so it's not just Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay. And then we'll draw another line for another subheading, which is going to be his date of birth. Okay, so when was he born? You can write that underneath there. And in this bit, you can write what he was famous for. So why is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle a famous or a significant person? You can write that under here. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line down the middle. And then I'm going to make another title here. What I'm going to do is put my ruler against the line I already made, just that the line is in the same place. And then for this bit, you can write about his life. So what can you find out about Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's life? And write that down there. Okay, and then we can also draw a picture of him. So you could write a title that says picture and just draw a picture there, or you can actually draw a box instead to put his picture into. So you need to remember to use a ruler, because if you have a ruler at home, or something with a straight edge, because you don't want to be drawing lines or drawing boxes that are wonky and got wobbly lines. That won't look so nice. So to keep it looking neat, use a ruler or a straight edge. Okay, so that's my box. Then this is what my fact file looks like. I'm not going to fill in all of the answers because that will mean that you wouldn't have to go and do the research. But obviously when you're writing yours, just remember to use capital letters for his name, or for any places that you're talking about. Okay, and remember your full stops, and just remember to use your phonics knowledge for any words that are tricky. Okay, I look forward to seeing your fact files.